In today's video, we will be going to talk about the imbalance in the Panch Tattva, the sky, air, water, earth and fire, and I have a unique solution in order to solve this imbalance of the Panch Tattva. So please watch the video till the end.
You all must be aware about Panch Tattva. The word Panch Tattva originates from Sanskrit where Panch stands for 5 and Tattva indicates element. Following the universal law of life, everything on this planet is composed of 5 basic elements or the Pancha Mahabhutas. These are Akash, Vayu, Jal, Agni and Prithvi. Water is mine. Water is the source of life and it flows within all of us. 70% of the earth is water and the same goes for the human body. The Vedic scholar says that like the fluid water solidifies into solid ice, the body is nothing but the solidified energy of the mind. Fire is one of the 5 basic elements of Panch Tattva which supports life, but due to human activity, it is now becoming destructive. Amazon fire forest of 2019, Uttarakhand fire of 2016, Black Saturday bushfires of 2009 are some of the examples. Every year, more than 2 billion tons of municipal waste is generated worldwide. In India, more than 1.5 lakh metric tons of solid waste is getting buried in the soil every day. Air is abundant. Air, which can also be linked to the space and atmosphere, is a powerful life source that is important to sustain life. But usually, people do not consider these Panch Tattvas as essentials for the existence. But nowadays, the nature is continuously proving itself in the forms of natural calamities.
So guys, now we will talk about a creative idea by which we can solve the problem of imbalance of Panch Tattva. As we all know that electricity is generated with the help of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. As a result, the resources of coal and petroleum have been depleting day by day, and also by the burning of these coal and petroleum, a lot of harmful gases are released, and these gases are really harmful. So now I have a creative way in which we can transfer the electricity wirelessly. So guys, this is basically a mini Tesla coil, and the Tesla coil has the property that when it is given energy, it transfers the electrical energy amongst its surroundings wirelessly. As a result, when any electrical object comes near the Tesla coil, it starts glowing automatically without any need of switches or wires. As a result, we can say that electricity has been transferred wirelessly without any need of wires. So guys, as you can see, when I bring a LED light near the Tesla coil, it automatically starts glowing. Electricity is transferred wirelessly. So guys, my idea is that we should have at least one big Tesla coil in each city that would be capable of providing all the electrical equipment in that city electrical energy. As a result, we will no longer need wires, and we can use Tesla coil as a clean and pure form of electrical energy provider.